Hi everyone, hope everyone is well. And today I decided to record a video about the market for the next week. Let's see what will happen next week. Actually, already I talked about this during the Friday stream in CRG group, but unfortunately I couldn't record it. I don't know what kind of issues I had, so I didn't save. So I decided to make a new video. It will be quick and fast. It's just I will go through main assets and just quickly will tell you my view regarding next week, what we can expect. As usual, I will start with SP500 on the lower time frame. It had a really nice close on 4 hour on Friday. I really liked it, and if we go to weekly doesn't look that terrible. It bounced from this 50 EMA. Of course, I was expecting it to touch at this 5,627 level, but it bounced a bit earlier from this FEG here on weekly time frame. Let me check. Yeah, we can see we have FEG here. So it bounced from this level, but we should not be happy yet, because overall the chart looks super bearish and it looks like it will continue going down. And I don't remember if I shared on X, but I remember that I shared on in Discord that I expect deeper pullback. But of course, for this to play out, we need to wait some time. Since we are day traders, we need to see what we can do during the week, during the days, or certain hours. So let's go back to weekly. I like the bounce, but I don't like the close. The close happened below 2026 EMAs, which means that the asset will still continue going down. But let's see. Just a second. Let me go to daily. On daily, we can see that. Okay, my earpod died, so I hope you hear me well, even through this type of speaking. So what we have here, the 200 EMA on a daily time frame, and as I said, asset bounce from the FEG on weekly, right? So now it's logical to have some pullback after such a long downtrend, and on RSI it's also oversold, so we need to see some bounce. And I expect, let's see, on levels till where we can expect the bounce. I will take from this high to this low, and we can see these three levels. All three levels are important to pay attention to. So either, as I draw here, the price will bounce to 0.5 FIB level and reject, then will continue going down. Basically, this is what I expect right now to see. Like, it has more chances to play out, because also this level was for a long time. You see this red box area. It was standing as a support for a long time, and now technically this should be a resistant area. So even if there will be some bounce of 1.8%, you should not be celebrating. You should look for shorts. Let's go to 4 hour. Just a second. So yeah, on 4 hour we have a little bit different structure. We have here first resistance zone for our FVG stance, and then look, 0.5 level comes to this next for our FVG zone. 0.618 comes to this FVG for our FVG zone, right? So that's why I said every level is important to break if we want to see the price higher. Or every level can stand as a level where you can look for shorts. So yeah, this is more lower time frame, daily. Either the price will come to 0.5 and reject, either like SP 500 can be really bullish only if I see the price at least comes to 0.75 and close above. In this case, okay, we can call for the new all-time high, which I doubt that will happen, but anyways, it is market. Or on a weekly time frame, I need to see next week a green candle and the close above 0.618. In this case, it will be super bullish sign, and in this case, most probably the price will be pushed higher, at least towards to this FIB level. Same as it did here, for example, we see crazy dump, then crazy pump on the next week, and we had this rally. Here, same crazy dump, crazy pump, and small rally. So, yeah, we are watching on a daily time frame how it closes. We're watching on the weekly time frame to understand how it's gonna be a week after, right? But anyways, during the week, I will update members in Discord, and I will try to update everyone on my X. Even though it's a bit hard for me because I don't have much time to just sit and write everywhere, because I don't know, we have so many members in Discord, and my all focus is, of course, to Discord members who need more support, I would say, because they paid, they joined, and they joined to learn something, to improve their trading style and so on. So if you want my personal support, you can join Discord and I will help you as much as I can. But so far, I'm giving you these levels in the video. Please just be careful once the price comes to each level. I think I'm making my technical analysis super clean, explaining you where you should pay attention, where you can look for shorts, where you can look for longs, and all the stuff. So, yeah, and let me check also. Yeah, but as I said, I still expect a downtrend continuation, because this weekly was super bearish, and then monthly, if we look to monthly looks like it will continue going down. We have also RSI flipped to lows, and yeah, on a weekly I would want to see RSI much lower as it was here. So we can see a pullback even till 5,300 approximately, and worst case 4,700, 600. And on the last stream when I was talking, like when we were talking about SP 500 and more like global view, and we were talking that, like, we came to conclusions that to see SP 500 at 4,200 is also pretty possible. But yeah, it's more high time frame. It's still early to talk about this. So let's go. Let me check quickly DXY. So DXY played so perfectly, like this area stood as resistant, couldn't break above. And if you remember, there were EMAs. I said that if it will manage to hold above this EMAs, it will continue going up, but it didn't, and then it had a close below $107, and as a result it dumped, retested, and boom, this crazy dump. It is beautiful. Look how it's it's just very beautiful. I think that it will continue going much lower, at least till $100, and maybe there it can bounce also. It has this trend line, you know, weekly FVG. It doesn't have any monthly FVG, you know, and then it can go much lower once I see that it's closing below $100. But I don't want to make TA for DXY right now. To be honest, only if someone will want to, you can write me on X, you know, or just write me a comment under this video and I will make other technical analysis. So now let's go to crypto quickly. Just a second, what do I have here? Such a mess. So I charted this and I think I shared it in Discord. And as we can see, it bounced exactly from 0.75 fib. Sorry for my voice. And I expect it to go higher, at least till 6.21 next week. I don't know who is calling for new all-time high right now in Twitter. You can unfollow them. Definitely, because I will also see it and will check who I follow and all this super crazy insane bulls. I will just unfollow them because this kind of people just show how incompetent they are, how they don't understand what they do, you know. And I think it's not respectful towards to people who just how to say, hopeless, you know, waiting for some guidance, you know, and then they just believe this kind of guru crypto experts, you know. They just go all in, buy certain coins, and at the end they just sit with minus 90% portfolio, you know. Yeah, I don't want to follow this kind of people. So for you, a task, just go through your followers following list and see who you follow. You know, if you want to succeed in this field and if you want to start making profits, you should take this industry serious, you know. You cannot just believe random people. You should also make your own researches, read, you know, check who really understands about market, who just shit posting, you know, and all this stuff. So, and yeah, it is your money, so think twice, 3 times, 10 times, like what you do, who you follow, and yeah, otherwise it's all very unserious. So weekly, I expect it to come to 6.21 and then reject, which it means that until then, as long as USD dominance is in a bullish mode, crypto will be correcting, dumping. So I wrote recently in Discord that any bounce is too short. Shorts outperforming longs right now. Focus on what has more strengths. That I'm expecting more dump next week. Situation is very similar to COVID crash. If you don't know, you can also read my article. It was shared in January 9, you know, and basically I shared all my view there about what I expect, you know. And yeah, I really recommend you to just go through my videos. I'm getting really good reviews. People are very thankful for my works, like for my videos. And it's not just technical, like it's not just not only talking about what I expect in the market, but it also has educational content in it. Like I show you why, for example, I expect, like recently, as I was talking about SP500, where I expect it to come to this certain level and reject. You know, I show you everything. I show you how I do technical analysis, how I like my view in the market, you know. So all this information is really precious. So please don't take it just for granted. And if you want to support me, I will be happy if you will like my videos and tweets, will share them, will comment, you know, bring more activity. It will also help my tweets and my videos to, let's say, go viral, bring more audience, you know. And also I would really appreciate if you join through my links like BinX, or I'm partnered with other exchanges. If you already have an exchange, you can write me in DMs, you know, and be under my referral link and get some bonuses as well, and discount on fees, trading fees, you know. And this will just help me to it will really support me. So yeah, keep in mind, as long as USD dominance is on a bullish mode, forget about longs. Don't look for any 1% bounce. It's not worth it, you know. Any bounce like on a lower time frame, short it, because shorts really right now in priority. As you can see, also Bitcoin is dumping. I have all these targets as you see on the chart. You know, I expect that maybe 72 or maybe 64,000 levels can be levels where Bitcoin could bounce. I'm not calling from these levels for a new all-time high, no. Just some technical bounce. It can be that, for example, price comes, bounces some, let's say, 15%, it is possible, or comes and bounces 30%, it is possible. But again, I need to check the market once the price comes to certain levels, because right now situation is not like it was here, you know. One small dump, crazy bounce, one small dump, crazy bounce. No, right now we have different situation, and if you don't know how to trade, better don't trade. Wait for the opportunities to buy the dip, you know. If you're in Discord, you can always ask me questions, you know. Me and other members in Discord, we will try to help you. Yeah, so situation right now is different. Bitcoin, I expect it to go lower. So as I said, either it will be 72,177 where Bitcoin can bounce, or it will be 64,200. Like as I said, every level for me is important, and I need to see the reaction, and I need to see what is the rest market doing. All right, so let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, I was writing about it in Discord as well. It bounced from this FAG. For our FAG, it could close on daily above 0.5. As a result, we can see it's pumping, and if it will give a daily close above 0.75, then expect that it will pump at least till this area, where we can expect short-term bearish reaction, because weekly looks like it will continue going much higher towards to 65%, which means if Bitcoin dominance will pump and USDT dominance will pump, altcoins will dump even more. That's why I'm telling you, don't chase longs. Shorts right now in priority. Okay, total, nothing changed now. We're waiting for dips. I was telling about this in my previous videos. Please go and watch them. Then Ethereum, but the chart is here. Yeah, I still expect dips. Probably I will cancel this level. Yeah, I will tell now to Discord members to delete this limit long. It's not worth it, and we will look long a bit lower. Yeah, otherwise I expect Ethereum to go much lower. But more detailed technical analysis I will share in Discord. So next, we talked about this. Ethereum Bitcoin, I have this level, 13. It is possible that we can see it there or even much lower. I don't know where is the bottom right now. Yeah, probably it will just go to its maximum low, and then we will see for the reaction, because all the short-term bounces from me, it's not interesting. High time frame, it's been only in down trend, and even RSI is not telling me much. Well, 3 months tells me that it will go much lower. So yeah, what else? I think that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you. We took short on Link with Discord members, and it's going amazingly down. We took XRP, we took LTC, and I was sharing some ideas about Sol. I expect it also much lower. If it will come to $44, don't be surprised. BNB, it can be also, it can come to $250 or maybe much lower. It depends on the situation with the US market right now. Let me talk about gold a little bit. Gold, I still expect that it will dump. Okay, I have some problems with my internet. Just a second, please. Yeah, here it is. I tried to short it several times and it stopped me again. I still expect it will dump, so probably I will just take it short and just without any stop loss. Only if it will break through 2,950 maybe I will close. Yeah, I will just take a swing short, and if it will want to break above this line, then I will short it, because every time it does this fake outs, and comes back to my entry, and it really pissed me off, because I still expect it to dump. There are a lot of reasons for that from the technical view. Just my stop loss is not perfect, and we can do something like that. So 1.8% stop loss from the entry, and I still expect to come at least to 2,700, and then we'll look, maybe we'll look for longs. Euro, I also expect it to dump. Honestly, maybe. Just a second. Like, technically it should, just the question is when. I'm still watching it. Then Nasdaq. Where it is? I had levels somewhere. Yeah, here. I expect one of these levels. Let's see. You can also open swing short. Just calculate your risks and just put your book your profits here and here. So yeah, this was all from my side for now. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. I will try my best to reply on time. Otherwise, feel free to join Discord. If you really want to succeed in this field and you really want to start making profits, you need a good mentor or a really good group, where you will grow. Otherwise, if you do it on your own, it will cost you way more, and it will take a lot of time of yours. All right, so yeah, it's just my recommendation to you. If you want to succeed, if you want to change your life, you should find right people and right mentor. So yeah, and if you really like this video, if you really like what I do and you want me to share more stuff with you, then I will appreciate your support, as I said, with likes, comments, sharing my videos, sharing my tweets, and joining to exchanges via my link, like BingX, Blowfin. I have even Bybit, Maxi. Yeah, so I will really, really appreciate that. So yeah, this was all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.